to unbox an order that I placed with mysensorytools.com. Hold on, let me bring it off camera so I can cut it without having to accidentally show the stickers on the outside. Alright. Good lord. Okay, this is taped really good. Okay, I'm okay. We okay? We are okay. Alright. So I ordered this cute, like, fruity octopus Orbeez ball. This cute rocket ship Orbeez squishy. So it's kind of like a dupe of the, what you call those, Jelly-Roos? Or, I forget what they're called. Completely blanking. I also got one of these mini water timer keychains. Blue sugar ball. Why were the words so hard to come to me? I got two putties, one blue and green. And then lastly, a fidget cube in pastel blue.